Killer, whose real name is Rodney Price, spent a second night in police custody following his arrest on Saturday night. Deputy Superintendent of Police assigned to the St. Andrew North Police Division, Altamuth Paro Campbell, says the artist is expected to answer to charges of wounding and assault occasioning bodily harm when he appears in the Corporate Area Resident Magistrates Court. The senior policeman says investigators are moving to complete their probe ahead of a possible Wednesday appearance. Now, Bounty Killer, who was carted off to the Constant Spring police lockup after his girlfriend reported that she was assaulted by the dance hall artist. DSP Campbell says the complainant alleged that she was beaten with a hammer at the artist's St. Andrew apartment. Bounty Killer is no stranger to the Constant Spring lockup, as he was arrested in April for a similar incident involving another woman. The matter was, however, short-lived as the complainant eventually dropped the charges. DJ for international reggae artist BUJU, the mega hit wonder and four-time Grammy nominee, whose given name is Mark Myrie, is to face trial on drug charges in the Middle District Court in Tampa, Florida. BUJU and two co-accused, Ian Thomas and James Mack, were arrested last year in South Florida and charged with conspiracy to possess more than 5 kilograms of cocaine with intent to distribute. A grand jury indictment also charged him with carrying a firearm during the course of a drug trafficking crime. The man, who's been charged with the uphill task of proving BUJU's innocence, attorney David Oscar Marcus, says he's ready for the battle. Reacting to last week's development, where a second co-defendant of BUJU agreed to testify for a reduced sentence, Mr. Marcus says the artist is his only concern.